Okay.
Oh my goodness. All right. Hey, are you about done?
Yeah.
I was thinking when we're done here, why don't we spend the afternoon and go check out that new trail across town? Take a couple of bikes, go check it out. I hear it's real nice.
Yeah, that sounds awesome. Why don't we take some
Super.
trikes instead, though?
Some trikes. Oh, well, we got the new rack, so we could take some trikes. Let's
I think
do.
it'd be fun.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do it.